Facebook gaming creators, stop scrolling and listen closely, because what I am about to share is highly time sensitive. You already put in hours of work streaming, engaging with your chat, and building your Facebook page. But what if you could multiply your rewards just by doing what you are already doing? OneWave has officially integrated Facebook as a supported channel, and they are not doing it quietly. To celebrate this massive expansion, they have just launched an exclusive, leaderboard-style campaign with a reward pool of exactly 20,000 cross tokens. And the best part? It is strictly limited to Facebook page creators. This means the playing field is wide open, and the creators who move first are going to dominate. If you are hearing about this for the first time, you are probably asking, what exactly is OneWave? In simple terms, it is an open streamer economy. It is a revolutionary platform built entirely on the OneChain network, designed to directly connect creators with their fans and the broader gaming ecosystem. For years, creators have had to rely on standard platform ads or sponsorships that require massive, unreachable metrics. OneWave breaks that barrier. It gives you the power to earn directly from the ecosystem just by actively participating, streaming high-quality content, and educating your audience about the platform. So, how does the path to earning actually work? OneWave operates on a unique AI evaluation system. This AI doesn't just count empty clicks or passive bot views. It actively measures the real, genuine impact you have on your community. When you go live on your Facebook page and your viewers engage, chat, and learn about OneWave through your content, the AI registers that value. Your genuine influence translates directly into cross tokens. You earn real assets that you can trade, hold, or utilize within the OneChain gaming ecosystem. You are turning your standard watch time into tangible rewards. Before we get into the setup, there is one critical rule you must understand to qualify for the 20,000 cross reward pool. This campaign is open to Facebook page content exclusively. Let me repeat that, Facebook pages only. Streams, reels, or videos published through your personal profile, Facebook groups, or any other platforms outside of your official Facebook page will not qualify for this specific reward pool. If you are a streamer running off a personal profile, today is the day you officially upgrade to a page. Ready to claim your spot on the leaderboard? The onboarding process is completely frictionless, and I am going to show you exactly how to do it right now. Step 1. Open your browser and navigate to wave.crosstoken.io. This is the main hub for the entire open streamer economy. Take a second to look around. But your main goal is the sign up portal. Step 2. Click on the sign up or connect button and look for the Facebook integration option. Click on it, and a secure window will prompt you to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen steps carefully, and ensure that you select and link your official Facebook creator page. Allow the necessary permissions so that the OneWave AI system can accurately track your streams, measure your community impact, and calculate your rewards. Once those permissions are granted, your account is fully linked and active. That's it. You are officially plugged into the ecosystem. Now comes the fun part. Fire up your streaming software. Set your destination to your newly linked Facebook page, and hit that Go Live button. Talk to your chat about OneWave. Explain the streamer benefits, and start climbing that leaderboard. Explainer and how to content like this is exactly what the AI looks for to measure your impact. The campaign is live right now, and the 20,000 cross pool is waiting. Click the link in my description to set up your account today. It's time to make some waves.